Barbie in a box. Disposable barbecue. You're ready to cook in 15 minutes. No mess, no hassle. Do not use indoors, risk of fire and asphyxiation. Portable barbecue. I saw another YouTuber, 664 Down Under, use one of these on his channel a while back while he was fishing, and I thought, what a great idea. But then I forgot they existed, and then when I was in Bunnings the other day, I saw them and I thought, I'm going to grab one. They're about $3.50. Let's cook some lunch on a disposable barbecue. Right, so pretty simple here. I've got some sausages, probably only going to cook 4 of them, tongs, a bowl to put the sausages in to carry them inside, and my barbecue. I'm going to open it up, light it, and see how it goes. Now I've got a funny feeling this is going to get hot, so I've put it on a couple of bricks to get it off the wooden tabletop. Right, now I've taken the paper, the wrapping, the cardboard box that it comes in, I've taken that all out because it's flammable. It actually comes with a little stand. That must just sit on there like, can't do it now because I've got the bricks there. That must just sit on there like that. Yeah, maybe I can cook it like that. Right, now from my understanding, all I've got to do is light that paper. That paper burns and heats up the coals, and the coals sit there and smoulder for ages and provide the heat. This might be a bit trickier than it looks because it's quite windy out here today. I've got it going. She's burning, folks. She's burning. Oh, let's let it go. Now I think I've got to wait for the paper to all burn and then for the coals to just sit there smouldering before I can throw my bangers on there. Rightio, look at that. My beads are hot. It's good how they're all up one end. That means there's probably not as much heat up this end, so I might be able to slow the heat down a bit by moving the sausages along. But anyway, I reckon it's about time to chuck some snags on. Don't roll off. I thought that was going to roll off. Oh no, look at that. That looks like it's a little bit too hot, doesn't it? Maybe I didn't let the coals burn down enough. There's not a lot of heat. You don't hear any sizzling. They're going to be more like smoked sausages than fried sausages, I think. I'm sending smoke signals to the Indian villages. This is not the type of barbecue to use if you're on the run from the police or something and you want to cook tea but you don't want anyone to see where you are. Because I'm pretty sure the smoke coming off this can be seen from Mars. They are looking good. And then of course over here is my tandoor oven that I love to cook in. But unfortunately I have no firewood and I'm not allowed to go and get any. I believe here in Victoria at the moment with these lockdowns you can go out to get firewood, but only if you need it, essentially. So if you've got a wood fire or a wood heater, you can go and get it, but probably not for a wood barbecue or a backyard campfire drum. You're almost done. They're looking great. Look at that, black as a dog's ass. I just went in to butter some bread, and it things got a little bit heated. And now I've got a bit of bread, some sausages that I'm about to take off before they burn down, and 2 partly full bottles of tomato sauce. I don't know why we don't just open one, then use it, then open another one, then use it. You always end up with a couple of bottles in there with just a little bit left. Alright folks, that is it. I'll tell you what they were like in a minute. I'm going to eat my lunch. Look at the sausages. Watch the flames. Listen to the rain. Absolutely wonderful. And I've got some Pepsi Max in here. Max taste, no sugar. Lunchtime. Well folks, I've got one left. Jaffa will be very happy because I'm full and I can't eat 4. So the dog's going to get the 4th one. The stove's still very, very hot. And I will tell you, the sausages were cooked all the way through and they were absolutely amazing. And I think that's because they were more smoked than fried. The smoke was so thick coming off those coals and the heat was nice and warm and they just cooked them really well. Now, this is a great activity for younger people, for kids. If you're home and you're bored and it's school holidays or the weekend or something and you can't get out, go to Bunnings on your push bike, buy one of these for not even $4. Pop into Woolies or Coles, grab some sausages, and you'll absolutely love cooking on this because it's fun. It is so much fun. But something I do want to warn you about. I'll finish cooking, there's no on and off switch. It is still really, really hot. And that's going to hold the heat, I'm thinking, probably for a few hours. So I'm not even going to think about putting that in the bin. Don't put it straight in the bin when you're finished or you'll burn your bin down. I'll probably come out here tomorrow and put that in the bin. Make sure it's cold. That's a bit of a safety hazard for younger people. So any of you younger people, if you're watching, don't put it in the bin until you know it's cooled down. In fact, it's pouring rain at the moment. I might even go out and sit it in the rain to speed that process up. I'm going to give my sausage to a dog. This has been really successful. I've had a blast. It's been very relaxing listening to the rain. Thank you very much for watching. Folks, if you've liked this video, why not give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.